Hi guys, let's learn about the attack in HTML. It defines a hyperlink. An attack can be used for linking a URL on a text or an image. Okay, let's create here an HTML document. I'm keeping here the document name as attack. Right click on the HTML document and open with Notepad. Create here an attack. Inside the attack, you can type any text that you want to show. To the opening of the attack, type href equals quotation mark, then type your URL, close the quotation mark. Let's look at another example. We have here an image tag. This is going to be the source of the image. Let's use here two bear tags to break down the lines. Put the image tag inside an attack. Now you can link here a URL. Let's add a link to the image. That's it. Hope this helps you guys. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel Sir Chogal. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.